Alright, this is Michael, your instructor here at Learn Robotics today. So right now we're going to talk about why learn Arduino. So this is part of our course series, Arduino Basics for Absolute Beginners. So let's get started. So why learn Arduino? Why learn what is an Arduino and what are the benefits in learning Arduino? So this will be our topic. So why should we learn Arduino and what are the benefits in learning Arduino? So why Arduino? Why begin with Arduino? Arduino is one of the best boards that we have today. We can start with it, learn in learning technology. So through it, we'll be able to learn the hardware and the software aspect of technology. Since technology today have automation and we already have the artificial intelligence, programming, and robotics. Through our board Arduino, we'll be able to understand and observe how things work inside the technology. Since we are usually users of technology, but now we are inventors of the technology through Arduino. So through that, we'll be able to learn and observe what's happening in the technology, and we can create technology by beginning learning the Arduino board. And of course, being a hobbyist myself, I know through our Arduino board, we can gain more knowledge and be creative in doing prototypes and projects and productivity. We'll be able to create more projects and develop systems during our time. And most of all, our devices using Arduino, the device that we will gonna use will be affordable. So the inventors made the Arduino board to be affordable, so we can buy it within with a few bucks or few dollars, and along with the device that we need to connect with it. So it's very cheap. So it will not be a problem for us to develop our systems using this board. And of course, there will be a lot of job opportunities for us since our technology today uses automation in the industry, and there are a lot of people who is involved in innovation, invention, and the product development. Since we are using Arduino, we can create prototypes of any product. Of course, for technology. Prototype. So by using Arduino, we can create simple products, simple projects, and then later turn them into a much sophisticated systems. All right. So I want to show you some devices from the past, some machines. So this is the Apple One developed by Steve Wozniak, the co-founder of the Apple company with Steve Jobs. So through that little board there, with just only a 1 megahertz CPU speed, they were able to create this wonderful device. And also the Commodore 64, if you like to check them out on the internet, these Commodore 64 were the first devices that Bill Gates used during his early days. He learned programming and coding through the computers such as this in the past. And this device runs at only 1 megahertz. And our Arduino today has 16 megahertz. All right, so I hope you get the idea. And of course, before we had this Atari 2600 model of entertainment system. So this is a video computer system. If you are familiar with Family Computer, Super NES, Sega, those consoles were developed to give us entertainment. But this Atari 2600 runs only at 1.19 megahertz. And again, our Arduino today runs at 16 megahertz. So there's a big difference. So through these devices in the past, we are able to create a lot of robots today, a lot of automations since the era of the early computers. Now we have these wonderful robots today that helps us develop more products for our comfort and for the betterment of our lives. So, and through that technology, we'll be able to learn and understand how things work in the real world and be able to comprise artificial intelligence and, of course, hardware such as the embedded system like Arduino. We may be able to understand how they work. And of course, we are reaching beyond our universe or in the universe, within the universe, whatever. But of course, this curiosity, I think this one is the curiosity or the perseverance. I have to check it out. But as you can see, this model has many embedded system in it. And by learning Arduino, we'll be able to learn how to improvise things and, of course, innovate things and create beautiful things through it. Okay, so let's start to learn Arduino today and have a good time. All right, see you on our next topic. Are you ready for the future? Then learn robotics today. Bye.